Mohammad Usman Majeed, MPhil Plant Pathology from Punjab University, Lahore. As far as my teaching career is concerned, I belong to this profession for 8 or 9 years. I have taught the BS and entry classes and FSC classes at different institutes and well-reputed institutes. Today, our main target or our main purpose is here to perform the practical. We are going to perform practicals about the dissection of frog. Aspire College is going to launch a new project which is unique and different from all other institutes. We are going to launch the practicals for all, where not only aspirant can perform the practical in these labs, but the outsider can also visit these labs and can perform the practicals, which are not able to perform the practicals in their own institutes due to the lack of advanced and highly well-furnished labs. And Aspire provide the facility to the area without any fee.